Welcome back, guys. We are on day 2, morning 1. We just got here last night and it's been windy all night. I woke up this morning, was getting ready to maybe, getting excited to go fishing. And well, I can't fish in that. It is gusting to 30 kilometers an hour. I kind of figured, coming here I'd get out of the wind. And considering we're like 1,000 feet below the last island we were at, and it was super windy there as well. So we're trying to come here to hide out from the wind as well. And well, the wind came with us. This sucks. I set up everything, and then this morning my solar panels all fell over. These two are okay, but I've got to go fix those 4 and put some weight on them so the wind doesn't knock them over again. But I just been hearing the winds banging against my boat down there and got it all down in the water. And if you haven't seen the last episode, it was getting pretty late, so we decided to pack it all in and call it a night. I could have used my porch light. I figured we'll come in, we'll have some dinner, relax, watch a couple TV shows, and finish up the rest tomorrow morning. We're gonna get everything ready in the boat, and hopefully when the wind dies down, we'll be in the water ready to go. That's life being in the high mountain ranges, huh? And not to mention, I just have a little tiny boat, so it's not very good in the wind. And this isn't a very big lake. I think it's pretty small. Pretty well the same thing. I think the maximum depth here is 31.6 feet, whereas the other lake was only 25 or 26 feet. But yeah, we're gonna get after it. There's a few shallow spots over here. Oops. And a few shallow spots over here. We're gonna avoid that area and we're gonna troll around that area, but we'll see. Wherever the fish are, we'll go find them. So when the solar panels fell off, one of the clips fell off. So luckily I have some spares up in the box. Because I can't seem to figure out how to unbolt that. I'll have to get some tools to try because I can't do it barehanded. But yeah, we'll pop that bad boy on and put it back in the mix. I had to add some weight. Not much, but just so they don't get blown over again. Those two are fine. I'm gonna fix up everything, throw some gear on my fishing rods, some line, all that fun stuff, and get ready for when the wind actually dies down. We'll try our luck at this lake. Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll see you guys in a few. Okay, set up my new fly rod. We opened up the packaging, got everything ready, put a little 3-foot leader on here with a swivel. It's already got a tapered with a nice, good job on that. Not that I would ever try to do that. That's a pretty difficult tie, but it looks good. So let's see how well this casts. I've got quite a long leader, probably like a 13-foot leader, I think. There's a 14-foot leader on here. I probably should have shortened it up by about a foot, but that's okay. I don't know whether this is a float line, sinking tip, sink line, full sink. I have no idea. We're gonna go throw it in the water a little bit later. As soon as the weather calms down a little bit, and we'll see how this flies. So I think we'll pack both anchors, and maybe we'll find some good spot to anchor. Well, welcome to Osprey Lake, aka Bakir. Or I think my phone said we were in Jellicoe. I've never really noticed that because I've never really had internet here to check the weather. So that's interesting. But that is a battery killer. I'd love to go out fishing. I've got everything ready to go. Got a strike indicator on my big rod for casting. Got my anchors in case I want to go, anchor somewhere. I've got a heavy troll and a light troll on a fly rod, and we'll see what we can get. 16, 17-inch rainbows. I'd be okay with just one. I'm here for a week. Hang out here. There's the Kettle Valley Rail Trail. So if you ever take that from like wherever that way west to wherever that way east, you will actually pass right beside this lake. I've ridden that on my mountain bike. I brought my bike here one year, rode it down there, followed the rail trail, went all the way around the lake. It's actually pretty fun. I wish I could do it again. I did not bring my bike. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to find a place that will put a front mount receiver on my van. That would be fantastic. But while we're waiting for the rain to calm down, let's go into the van. I got some video editing to do. Time to get to work, Spike. Get your butt moving. What a beautiful morning. Sun's out. A little bit of clouds. I'm gonna go head out, go fishing. We'll see you guys when I'm back. Caught a couple 14-inch rainbows. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish. So I think these are probably the only 14s. I'll keep the rest of them, throw back, and hope for a bigger one. Well, just got done some video editing. Thought I'd come check out this little sunset. Dang. It is pretty. Wow. Yeah. That's amazing. So, yeah. I think that's going to be it for tonight. I did catch 4 fish, 2 big ones, 2 little ones. Wow. Before the sunset disappears. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button on the video. We'll see you guys tomorrow.